Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, and we are starting with our Diwali special series. And the first recipe that I'm showing you today is this instant Kesar milk barfi. It is so easy, so delicious, and it takes less than 15 minutes from start to finish to make this. You only need a handful of ingredients, and no, we are not going to be using sweetened condensed milk. So let's begin. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to infuse the saffron in some milk. So here I have some lukewarm milk, and in that I've added some saffron strands. I'm generous here because I really want the barfi to taste like saffron, and I'm going to stir it like this. Now, right now, you don't see the color seeping through the milk, but keep it aside for 10 minutes and you will see the difference. And after the saffron has infused in the milk, after 10 minutes or so, we'll start making the barfi, and it will only take about 5 more minutes. So in a saucepan, I'm using a non-stick saucepan. I've added my ghee here. It's melted ghee. And now you'll see it's about 10 minutes and you can see that the saffron has infused into the milk. I'm going to plop all of that milk along with the kesar or saffron strands into the warm ghee. The heat is on medium low, and I'm just going to stir this until it's mixed through. Now into this I'll add some milk powder, and then I'll add some castor sugar. And finally, I'll also add some cardamom powder, and that's it. This is all you need to make your instant kesar milk barfi. The heat, as always, is on medium low. You don't want a very high heat because that will burn this mix. So keep it on a medium low heat or low heat. And now all that's left to do for you is to just mix this really well together so that there are no clumps or lumps of the milk powder in there, and it just becomes a nice smooth homogeneous mix and looks like a paste. So you want to keep stirring this constantly, and I've also used a non-stick pan. As you can see, it has come together really well, and you'll keep smashing it against the bottom of the saucepan just to break apart any milk powder lumps if there are any. And you can see now it almost has a paste like consistency. So you're going to continue to cook this for a total of 3 to 4 minutes from the time that you add your milk powder, castor sugar, and your elaichi or cardamom powder. And then you just set a timer on your phone and keep mixing this for 3 to 4 minutes. You should see it should start to pile up on itself like this. That's when you know that it's ready. Now here I have a 4 by 4 inch square baking dish or a square tin that I have lined with parchment paper, and I've also greased it with some ghee. Now lining with parchment paper is important because once the barfi is set, it's very easy for us to release the barfi from the tin. So add all of that barfi, and then just using your spatula, spread it around so that it's evenly distributed like so. Now, just a quick note as well, you can also add some yellow food coloring while you're adding all the ingredients, but I like to keep its natural color, so I've not added any artificial coloring or flavoring. So that's another point. And now you'll just top it off with some saffron strands and some flaked pistachios and almonds. I'll also gently press these nuts and saffron with the back of my fingers just so they set on the surface of the barfi, and this will go in the refrigerator for about half an hour. You can also set it at room temperature for about, it takes roughly an hour or so, and once it's set you will easily release this out of the baking tin, and then you'll cut these into 12 rectangular barfi pieces like this, and you can see how well it has set, and it tastes so good. It literally tastes like store-bought barfi, and it takes very less time to put this together. The sweetness is also very perfectly balanced. As you may know, I am not a fan of cloyingly sweet desserts, and I know a lot of you also like to have desserts that have balanced sweetness, and this barfi has the perfect amount of sweetness, and you get that subtle saffron or kesar flavor in the barfi. It's just amazing, and I really, really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you again in another video. Until then, goodbye and happy baking.